plus dance, the Sundance Kid. The Sundance Kid. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our program. As we start the week off, we're going to begin with a very important game for these two returning contestants. On my left, the young lady's name is Karen Heine, and she's won $1,356 and a beautiful vacation in Cabo San Lucas. And it looks as if you've been out in the sun recently, too.
Over the weekend I was.
Yeah? Good for you. You ready to play this deciding game in the match?
Yes, sir.
Against Denny King once again. Welcome back, Denny.
Thanks,
Each of our contestants has a strike against them, and that means this game is very important. Whoever loses this first game says goodbye to Classic Concentration. Let's take a look at one of the prizes the two of you are competing for.
Put your lederhosen on and strike up the Papa Band, because you and a guest will be celebrating the Oktoberfest in Munich. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles to Munich aboard a Lufthansa 747 jet. Before boarding, you may relax in their exclusive Senator Lounge, and while in flight, enjoy excellent cuisine and quality European service furnished by Lufthansa. And you'll spend 6 nights at a deluxe hotel in Munich, world-renowned for the Oktoberfest. Experience old-style Bavarian hospitality in a friendly and lively setting. Alex.
Thank you, Gene, and thank you also to Margie. Margie there enjoying the Oktoberfest and dressed up in an Eastern European costume. I don't understand that, but let's show Karen and Denny where we will find that Oktoberfest in Munich prize. It's at number 14. Right. And Karen, you get to select first.
Okay, how about number 24, please?
24 is a wild card.
How about number 14?
Number 14 is a good place to begin. The other Oktoberfest in Munich is at number 16. A great vacation up on the ladies' side of our prize columns. And now we open 3 panels for Karen. Go again.
Number 6, please.
35mm camera outfit with film.
All right, and number 20.
Oak shelving system, no match. Denny.
All right, well, we're going to have to go for a take. Let's look under number 3.
Piano, good prize.
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what's under number 23.
There's a wild card for a match. Big prize for you as well. The other piano is at number 18.
Great.
That prize goes up here, and we open 3 more panels, revealing a bit more of this puzzle. All right, here's the deal, Danny. There is 1 wild card left in play. There are both takes still in play.
All right, well, let's see number 5.
Diamond watches for 2.
Okay, and number 6, please.
35mm camera with film. Yes, we saw that a few moments ago. Karen, your turn again.
Number 17, please.
Green take.
Take. And number 1.
Red take. No match. Denny.
Let's find that take. We're going to look under number 15.
Picnic basket.
Okay, number 25.
Food processor. No match again. Karen.
Number 9, please.
Electronic typewriter.
Maybe the match is under number 22?
Maybe. But we have oak shelving there.
Okay, do we see the oak shelving under number 20?
Yes.
All right, and a match for that under number 22.
22 is good.
All right.
Well done, Denny. Another prize, another look at the puzzle. Kind of on the perimeter, but hey, we've got arrows pointing at something. Pick again.
All right, still looking for that take, and we're going to look under number 11.
Diamond watches for 2.
And was the match for that under number 5?
Diamond watches for 2 again.
That's great.
Denny is accumulating some good prizes. Open it up.
Okay. Can't
Select.
tell. Well, that take is still eluding me. Let's see what's under number 21.
Bowling package for 2.
Okay, and a match under number 8.
Food processor, no match. Karen?
Was the food processor under number 19, Alex?
No, but there's a wild card.
Okay.
What are you going to do with a wild card, young lady?
I think I'll open up the puzzle under number 2.
Number 2 is a picnic basket.
Okay.
I thought for sure that you'd have gone for one of those takes to protect your trip. It may work out well for you. The other picnic basket we saw at number 15. There's a prize for your column, and 3 panels are opening up. If you can solve it, Karen, you win the game. You get to play for a car. Go again.
Number 25.
Food processor.
And number 8 for the match, please.
Food processor is right. You and Denny both have 3 prizes up there and some good stuff.
Okay, I gotta go for those takes.
Yeah, well, forget about the takes right now. We'll open the 2 panels. Concentrate on solving this puzzle. Now you can start thinking about the takes.
Number 9, please.
Electronic typewriter.
And number 21.
Electronic type. No! I thought it was there also. Bowling package. Denny?
All right, let's see what's under number 7.
Bowling package?
And a match under number 21.
That's right.
Good.
Swing these 2 panels open for Denny King.
Still can't tell. Let's see what's on number 13. And a match for that under number 6.
35 millimeter camera with film matches up beautifully. And now we take another look.
Still can't tell. Let's see what's under number 12. And the match for that under number 9.
Electronic typewriter.
Good.
Denny says good because he is starting to salivate. He realizes what's left on the board. Let's open these 2 panels for him. Denny, we know what's left. We have a green take and a red take.
Okay.
If you make one match, the other will match automatically, and you will be able to steal 2 prizes from Karen.
Oh, boy. Let's see what's in number 4, which we know it's a take. And
Green
the match
take.
for that was in number 17.
Green take is right. Here it is. What do you want to grab with it?
Can I take 2 at once?
No, you take one at a time.
Let's start off. Let's start with the Munich trip.
All right, Munich trip goes over to Denny's column. These 2 doors will open, and we'll now show you 1 and 10. That will be the red take.
Okay.
Now, what do you want? You've got a picnic basket or a food processor?
Boy, that's a tough choice. We'll have to go with the food processor.
All righty, you've got the food processor. Now, however, comes the tough part. Solving the puzzle for every prize but 1. Can you do it, Denny? Take a look.
Nose for noose?
You didn't say anything quickly enough, and so Karen gets a chance.
A nose for news.
Is it a nose for news? Yes, it is. Come on, Karen, let's go to the board. Break it down.
We have the A and the N plus the hose is a nose, the 4, and the noose for news. A nose for news.
Well done. Did you know it?
Yes,
You knew it also. And poor Denny had all those prizes up there, and you couldn't stop yourself from blurting it out, but she says she knew it anyway, and I'll take her at her word.
Okay.
Nice having you with us,
Thank
Denny.
you,
You've got
Alex.
2 strikes against you, so we have to say goodbye. Sorry
All right,
about that.
thanks.
So long. All right. Yeah. Oh, Alex, indeed. You got 1 prize out of this. You remember what it was?
I don't.
It was the picnic basket.
Oh, my favorite.
But more important than that, you get to go to the winner's circle to play for a brand new car. When we come back after this,
This weekend
has been here before, and so she knows what it's all about. She's going to have 5 more seconds on the clock this time, however, to help her win a brand new car. She's happy about that. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Karen, and the clock with 40 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No?
3, 4,
No match.
5, 1,
Yes.
6, 2,
Yes.
7, 3,
Yes.
8, 9.
Nope.
10. 11.
Nope.
4, 11.
Right.
12. 8.
Yes.
13. 14.
No.
9. 14.
Yep.
15.
You got time to spare.
10.
Nope.
13. 10.
Yes.
13. 15.
13, 15, that's it. Yes. 15 seconds to go. Tell her about the car.
Okay, Alex, Karen, you've just won this Mitsubishi Mirage two-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and a sunroof. Furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $8,800.
Way to go, Karen. If we can find Karen here, let's let Karen get out front and center. She's won $10,218 in prizes, and you made that match. You won that car in 33 seconds.
Yes!
Congratulations. See you in our tournament later this year. We'll take a break and we'll be back with 2 new players after this. Well, our first game on our program today was a decisive one for both players because Karen went away with a brand new car, and now we welcome these newcomers. The lady on my right is Beverly Walker. Hiya, Beverly. Where are you from?
I'm a native Californian.
Good for you.
I have 3 beautiful children. I'm a sales representative for a major belt distributor.
All right. Nice having you with us.
Thank you.
Let's say
Nice
hello
to
to
be
your
here.
opponent, Reese Livingston. Hello, Reese. Dr. Livingston, I presume.
Yes.
Are you a native Californian?
No, I'm not. I'm an Army brat, so I'm not a native anything.
You've lived everywhere.
Yeah, I think they flipped over a rock and there I was.
You're settled now in the Los Angeles area?
For the time being, I'm a teacher. I teach 7th grade English, which is the fun subject that everyone always remembers as being their worst one, I think.
Oh, I don't know about that. A lot of kids complain about math. You ready to play?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, take a look over here and we'll show you two one of the prizes in this game.
For fun and togetherness, a bicycle built for two. This 5-speed derailleur tandem with reinforced tubular frame has front caliper handbrake and rear drum brake. Furnished by Columbia Manufacturing Company. Alex.
Bicycle built for two. Take a look on our board, Beverly and Reese. You'll find it behind number 12. Now, this is our second game of the day, and that means we have those 5-second bonus points for you if you manage to make it to the winner's circle. We also have $800 in cash in our cash pot, and we have a vacation in Puerto Rico. And Reese, you select first.
All right. Let's open up the top left corner of the board at number 1.
Cash pot, 800.
I found that right away. How about number 15 for the match?
Bicycle built for two. No match for you. Perhaps one for Beverly.
Yes, I want number 15 and the match for that under number 12.
You are right.
For you.
Way to go, Beverly. Would you use a bicycle built for two? That's something you'd do?
There's 3 children. We'd fight a lot, but we'd use it.
Okay. Open it up for Beverly. Select again.
I would love that trip. Let's see number 3.
Looking for Puerto Rico, finds a wild card. Well, now you've got to go fishing.
I want number 13.
All right. The red take.
Whoa.
The other red take is at number 4.
Okay.
Here it is for you. A little insurance for later on. For the moment, we open 3 panels. And they reveal, not quite enough, I don't think. Pick again.
Okay. Number 7.
200 California lottery tickets.
Yeah.
I would like a match for that under number 14.
No, we've got a diamond and
Whoa.
topaz ring for you there, Reese.
All right, let's go for the lower corner. Number 25, please.
Green take.
Green take. Let's see if we can find the match for that under number 17.
5
There's the
bonus
bonus
car
bonus seconds,
seconds.
yeah.
No match. Beverly.
Okay. Number 24.
200 California lottery tickets.
And I think that's under number 7.
Is it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Way to go, Beverly. Swing them open for her. Select again.
Number 16.
VCR.
Let's try number 5.
There's a natural match. Beverly is moving. She's doing it.
I'm in camp here.
Yeah. 2 more doors opening up. The way things are going right now for Beverly, Reese, the consolation for you is knowing that this is the first game for each of you, and
There's a plus.
yeah,
There's a plus.
you have to to lose 2 games before you leave us. Beverly, select again.
Number 25.
Green take.
Number 8.
Green take. Poor Reese hasn't had a chance to accumulate anything. There's nothing to take. Open it up. Go again.
I have to open the board. Try number 11.
Puerto Rico.
Oh, I don't think I've seen number 23.
5 bonus car seconds you have now. Reese.
Do I remember 5 bonus car seconds under number 17?
I think you do.
And number 23 for the match.
There's a match.
Yeah.
There's a prize for your side. And 2 doors opening up for your benefit. Pick again.
All right, let's go for number 6.
Wild card. Maybe it's your turn to cruise along.
Wouldn't be bad. Can I match that with a Puerto Rico trip under number 11?
Sure you could.
Yes.
And the other Puerto Rico holiday is at number 20. Another prize for your column. Remember, the Beverly has both takes. Open these 3 panels for Reese.
Lock, stock, and barrel.
Lock, stock, and barrel. Yes. Not too competitive, are you, Reese?
Well, a little.
Let's go to the board. Boy, that was a good game.
Yes. All right. It wasn't until I saw the whole hasp of this I realized it was a lock. This is a rifle, but I was hoping it was the stock down below. Hand, lock, stock, hand, bear, with an L, lock, stock, and barrel. Yes.
Lock, stock, and barrel, a good solution. And it kind of breaks Beverly's heart. She's got only 1 strike against her, though, and that means you'll play again on our next show. We'll see you then, Beverly. Take care.
Thank you.
Come on over here, Reese. Gene's going to tell you all about this lovely holiday. Aren't you, Gene?
You are right, Alex. And Reese, you are headed to Puerto Rico. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Condado Plaza Hotel and Casino, oceanfront center of Caribbean romance and excitement. Restaurants, entertainment, disco, tennis, water sports, and 4 pools minutes from Old San Juan, furnished by the Condado Plaza. And the 5 bonus car seconds. Congratulations, Reese. These prizes are worth $3,658.
That's a big win for you. And if you remember earlier on in this half hour, Karen won the car with 33 seconds, and you're going to have 40 seconds on the clock after this break. Base time on the clock is 35 seconds. We add the 5 bonus seconds you picked up in that game. You're going to be working with 40. And you'll remember Karen won a car when she had 40 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 4.
No.
2, 5.
No.
3, 6.
No.
7, 3.
No.
Oops. 8, 5.
No.
4, 8.
Right.
9, 5.
No.
10, 13.
No.
9, 10.
Right.
11, 6.
Right.
12, 14.
Yes.
15, 5.
No.
13, 5.
Yeah. You were 2 cars short. You made a couple of errors early on, and that cost you. But you've got that great vacation in Puerto Rico, $3,658 worth of enjoyment in the sun, and you're going to get to play again. You might wind up here another time. We'll take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Soft Touch. Puts designer fashion into fitness, coordinated bodywear, and nylon fibers, bright colors, layered looks, and new silhouettes for any workout, furnished by Soft Touch. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
A lot better in this kind of an outfit than that ethnic costume you had a little while ago.
I agree.
That little babushka didn't suit you.
Well, thank you for your honesty.
Okay, so keep that in mind when you come back tomorrow.
Yes.
Reese, we'll see you
No
then also.
babushka.
Join us tomorrow, folks. So long.
Bye-bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.